Chewy, what's going on, world? A lot of people ask, me usually what I feed my dog and everything, and I usually say Bully Max, until I stumbled upon what's in this box. As y'all can see, this box is from Chewy. Yeah, let me tell you a little bit about what's in this box. What's in this box has more protein than Bully Max. So if you're trying to get your dog, a more protein, something, natural and everything like that. Bully Max is also natural, but it doesn't give you as much as far as, ingredients that this does, as far as protein and some extra stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and go over everything, compare. You guys wanna know what it is? What it is? Let's figure it out. Everybody be having like a real, like fancy knife, like they flip up and everything. We ain't got that. I mean, I do, but not today. I couldn't find it. Whatever. It works just as good. That's the little one. Oh yeah, that's the little one. If you can hear her, that's the little one, because it's food time, so she knows. Throw that out the way. Alright, if you didn't guess Nature's Logic, if you didn't guess Nature's Logic, you was wrong. So my dog likes, like salmon, and well, the girl likes anything, but the boy, he's more of a seafood type of person. Don't ask me how I know, just know I know. All right. So we went with the canine duck and salmon meal feast, and on the side, on the side, it says no synthetic vitamins or minerals. First ingredient, high protein duck meal, veggie and fruit concentrate. All right. With this being said, this bag of food is a 5-star on Dog Advisor. Okay. So before I buy anything for my dog, I always check out Dog Advisor. I didn't see any videos on there or anything like that, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a video on it. This is actually gonna be my first one. But yeah, 5-star on Dog Advisor. If your dog still drinks, eats wet food, they also have wet food as well, 5-star as well. And usually, with some dog foods, if your dog like it like really wet, some people just add water in it. With this, you don't have to do any of that. You just go ahead and put it in a bowl. And if you give them any like vitamins, anything like that, you also just throw that in there as well. So go ahead and let y'all see the back. It also has probiotic enzymes. Let y'all see a capture of this real quick. So, truly 100% natural, made with minimally processed whole foods. Ooh. Rich in protein, ingredients you won't find, and then low in natural sugars, probiotic and digestive enzymes. Okay. Now, this food is MSG free. Recipes are made with that's too big of a word, proteins, corn, wheat, rice, soy, topical, peas, or potatoes. We don't add any artificial colors, flavors, or synthetic preservatives. Our ingredients are safe. Or I like to hear. And then down here, it basically tells you how to feed your dog, weight of your dog, 3 to 12 pounds. Puppy, so yeah, you can feed your puppy this, your dog, adult, whatever, all ages. That's natural food. You can feed your dog all ages because it's natural. And let's go to where it's at. The ingredients is right here. Duck meat, millet, turkey meal, chicken fat. All right. And you know, you're trying to read this like people food. You can't read it like people food, you know? Like it does have the best use date. So on my bag, it says best use if by September 14th, 2019. I'll show y'all that right here. Yeah, this camera will, there you go, September 14th, 2019. Best used if by, boom. Alrighty. And now I'm gonna show y'all basically how I usually feed my dogs. Usually have like rice or something to go along with it, but sweet potatoes, things like that to go along with it. But at this point, I just want to get my dogs beefier. When you guys see my boy, you'll probably be like, yeah, he's big. But he is big. For his age, he's big. But he's actually can be a lot bigger. Yeah. So I had, well, when I get to that part. So let me go ahead and get a bowl or two, and then I'll be right back. Well, by the way, it actually comes in a very soft textured but durable bag. Because, you know, like usually, you know, some bags of food, you can get it, you know, it's like, I can't stop touching this thing. Usually, I'll show y'all the little ripples in it, you know, so y'all don't think I'm bullshitting. You see these little ripples, like it's textured, you know, got a little feel on it. All right, but you know, usually you get bags and from, you know, and they rip. I'm not gonna see no names, but anyways, like I said, I was gonna do the analyst. Time I've been waiting for, man. Unboxing time, well, opening time. Hit them already unboxed this thing. Go ahead and take this knife. It does have like little ridges right here that you can open them up at. But I ain't got time to fight. You know, they be trying to vacuum seal and everything like that. So, ooh, that is not even work. So, what we gonna do? Ain't got time for that. This is going in a vacuum sealed container, anyways. After this, so boom. And then this is what you get. As far as food, pea size, so you know puppies can eat it, real dog, grown dogs can eat it, and I'm actually gonna feed my boy and show y'all how I feed him. Give him about there. So basically, my bad. Basically, this is what he has here. Right? Usually I put some stuff, some extra stuff in here like Dine. He hasn't had Dine in a while. I just forgot to order it, to be honest. So we're gonna go ahead and, I just like to go ahead and, you know, get it everywhere. So, kind of like, you know, every bite he gets a little bit, you feel me? That's how I like to do it. Some people say no. My dog, boom bada boom. Usually I put sweet potatoes in here and everything like that to help his digestive system. But on the bag it says it helps the digestive system. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and get him and feed him on camera. Mellow. Sit. No. Alright. There he goes. There he goes, little monster. Alright. Mellow. Hey, boy. Sit. Wait. No. Sit. Good boy. Yes, he loves sardines, you know. Good boy. You ready? No. Sit. Wait. Wait. Alright, so we got him. He does not like cameras, by the way. But food, him. Mellow, go ahead. Good boy. Nasty eater. Bro, the food is on the bottom of the cage, bro. You trying to lick or you trying to eat? Don't be dirtying up my kitchen, bro. There you go. Okay, so he likes his food. As we can see, this is getting a little messy, so I'm going to go ahead and move his food to his cage so he can eat in the cage and take him for a walk. But as you can see, he likes his food. This is pretty much going to end the video. Like, share, subscribe. More videos to come as far as with the dogs, because you still haven't seen Envy, and her video is going to be her first time eating Dine. So we're going to do that for y'all. Because like I said, we got Dine now, so we're going to go ahead and start feeding Dine again. If you don't know what Dine is, it's basically calories, liquid calories. Yeah, so I'll see y'all later. And Big Boy's still eating. Guess his age, if you can. He almost done with the bowl. So I gave him 3 scoops. Three big scoops.